guys, welcome to this week's video. I will be doing a lovely review. I have my puppy. She's right here. This week's video is going to be a review on Alter hair, and I'm so excited. Excuse the bumps. I am currently wearing an extension, and I just did a photo shoot, so I was playing with a puppy, and she kind of jumped on my head and caused this to move around, so just excuse the bumps. I am super excited for this video. They kindly reached out to me to do a review, and of course I said yes because I get to try out hair extensions, and I've never been able to try them out before. This video is not sponsored, and I do have a discount code, but yeah, let's just get on started. This video is going to be in two parts. The first part, which you guys are technically watching right now, is me talking about it and trying them on for you because I do have 2 more ponytails to put on, and then the other part is me officially like getting ready. I want to do a way more glammed up makeup look than this, but I already had my makeup on today from the photo shoot. I didn't want to redo it. So I'm gonna start off with how everything came. Everything came in this bag, and I actually have some hair accessories at the bottom of the bag. I told them to pick whatever they wanted for me because a lot of their hair accessories, unfortunately, were sold out. They didn't really know which ones to pick, and I just kind of let them do it for me. I got lots of scrunchies, which are really cute, and I kind of want to put one on right now. I feel like one of these would be really cute. These have little pineapples all over it. They are really cute, and I like how soft they are, and the band isn't like, it's actually a nice band that will hold your hair. A lot of scrunchie bands are just so weak and they don't hold my hair up. And then these are super cute. They have little daisies on them and they're just silky. I've been trying to get into a better habit of using silky hair stuff just because my hair is so dry. And my favorite ones are the clips. Really cute peachy pink, not marbleized, but they kind of have this like crystal effect. So I love using these to clip my bangs away when I'm doing my makeup. And then, oh my goodness, it's this cute butterfly. I love these colors, and I've always wanted a butterfly clip. These feel really nice, and I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for sending me those. Let's get into the extensions. I did open all of them just because I wanted to, you know, see which one I wanted to wear for the photo shoot today. They all come in this recyclable packaging, which is so nice. I love when brands send, you know, more eco-friendly things packaged up. That wasn't English, was it? I just hate when everything comes in plastic, and like, sure, the bag is plastic that it was sent in, but it was thinner. It's not as like thick, and I can easily recycle that. I honestly kind of don't want to throw these away, but whenever you open them, you're supposed to put your extensions in this cute little pouch they send you. I love this little checklist of getting ready. It's so cute. For the extensions that I'm wearing right now, bottom it says which pony it is, just in case you don't want to like open the whole package. What I really like is before you open the whole thing, like I did, they send you a little hair sample of the ponytail, and you can obviously see if it matches. So I got the shade Ash Blonde. You can kind of see on my braid that this is like my dyed hair that I'm trying to grow out, and actually next month I will be dyeing it back to my natural hair color. It is a lot more warm toned, and my hair in general is more red, warm, light brown rather than like a very neutral cool tone. They have one more shade that I wanted to try, and they actually are kindly sending me another ponytail in that color. It was like a dark brown. It's called Mixed Brown, and it matches this a bit more. It might be even a little bit richer of a brown than my natural hair, but I just wanted to try it because Ash Blonde is the closest to my natural hair, but obviously it's a bit lighter and more neutral, but it looks really nice. It comes in this cute little package before I ruined it, and at the top it just says, "If you can't have me, no one can. I cannot be returned once opened." That's why you guys should use the little sample strand just in case, because once you open it you can't return it, which is really unfortunate. And that's why I'm really happy this worked out, because I didn't read that on the packaging, and I literally would have opened it, and then if I had to send it back, like, I already opened it and it just ruins the product. The ponytail I'm wearing right now is pony number 3 in Ash Blonde, and it says it right here. Comes in this little hairnet. Once I take it out, and I'll be putting it in this really cute silky satiny pouch. And the ponies also come with 2 bobby pins. I just left mine in there for right now. And I really appreciate the instructions that they give you. I'll show you guys how I do these steps once I get to the point of taking this out. So it's like a mid-length pony. It's really pretty, and like I said, I didn't style it, but it has this bounce to it and these like little curly up, I don't know what upturned, is that what you'd call it, kind of detail going on, and it looks really like put together. So this ponytail is pony number 1, Ash Blonde. I got Ash Blonde in all 3. It shows the length, I'm pretty sure, because this one's a lot longer than the last extension. This one is this ponytail, but longer and with curls. Right here it says pony number 1, ash blonde. So you get the same 3 steps. It comes in this little hairnet and the bobby pins. I did try this one on, but I put it back how it kind of came. They have the little bobby pins up here so you don't like lose them, forget that they came with them. I need to brush it. I was kind of rushing when I was trying these on earlier, so they're a little bit frizzy right now. Where's my hairbrush? Hold on. They are way prettier than they are right now. This is my little smoother brush for this part of my hair. It just kind of helps like not make anything look frizzy, but you can see the difference in length. You can kind of see it right here in the mirror. It's far longer. I think this ponytail number 3 is probably up to like here. So it's literally another full ponytail. But yeah, this one is supposed to be more curled, but I kind of brushed it out before and it lost a bit of its curl, so I'm gonna have to use my curling iron on this one. I feel very, very secure. Like I can do a ton of things in this and it will not go anywhere. And I think I have about 4 bobby pins in this one. And I like how all the colors stayed consistent. I was worried that one ponytail would be lighter, but I love it. And I saw a lot of their other alter girls putting the ponytail in the middle of their head, so more along the lines of like here, and it looked really gorgeous. And then also like at the bottom of their heads, which I would like to try. Pretty much how I put this in is I always use a million bobby pins just to be safe. I have been wearing this ponytail since I want to say 2. All right, so I just have a normal brush, fixed my lovely extension, and I just love the bounce. I definitely prefer using this kind of brush with the extensions instead of my other brush. There she is, pony number 3. Whenever I'm putting it back, I just kind of go like that, and then my pony is secured. Okay, there you go. Ta-da! Now I'm just gonna put it in the pouch. Maybe I'll just fold it over a little bit. And now we gotta fix this hair because this is not happening. There you go. Let's do, I guess, a midi, and now I'm gonna fix my parts, see what we've got going on. Let's use the smoothing brush. I'm gonna hairspray this just cause I want this pony to have another equal chance. Smooth it down. It's kind of hard for me to do right now because I can't really see. So let's brush out pony number 1. Again, all right, there she is, nice and shiny. Oh wait, I need to braid my hair. Hold on. I've never put a midi pony on. Let's see if I can do it first try. All right, let's see if I can do this. I feel like mid-length is a little bit harder for me to do. There it is. My hair looks horrible. I'm gonna have to fix that. Yeah, there's probably a better way for me to do this style, but it is super pretty. You guys can see how long it is right there, and that's what it looks like close up. It definitely could be neater. Yeah, I'm gonna have to perfect this style. The last ponytail is pony number 5. An ash blonde. This one is a bit crazy. This one was definitely out of my comfort zone. I kind of wanted to get either the straight long ponytail. I really also wanted the U-clip, which was like a big little U that you'd clip right here and it just gave you length, but they didn't have ash blonde in that one, and I could have gotten mixed brown, but I wouldn't have been able to use that extension until I did go and dye my hair. I just went with this one, and this one is a freaking mermaid extension, literally. It's insane. I'm so excited. I feel like this one's like the softest out of all of them for some reason. I am worried about the upkeep on this one just cause I feel like with my crimper I would not be able to recreate these exact waves because these are really, really intricate and my crimper would just kind of make a mess. So I wonder if I'd have to straighten this and then crimp it, because these are like really natural looking waves. They're not, you know, like obnoxious big bouncy ones that crimpers make. I don't know. So you get your little bobby pins, you get your little strand, and the same thing with the Velcro and the clip. Nothing's changing there. This one reminds me of aquamarine. I might reapply my hairspray. So what I'll do is I'll brush my hair up. You have to make sure you make the back look cute because I feel like that part always makes or breaks the hair is the back. You don't want your back being all bumpy because I usually always leave it bumpy and it looks really stupid. So I take that kind of brush just to brush it out, make it like, you know, manageable. And then I take one of these. I have multiple sizes of these brushes. I don't know what they're called, but you can find them anywhere at Marshall's, Walmart's, Target's. I always get mine at Marshall's, but this is a Diane fill focus. There you go. It was only like $4 at a Marshall's. Then I take my hair tie, which has hair all over it, and I kind of pick what length I prefer. Or not length, but level I want my pony at, and I think that's good. I hope it's good. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I do want to show you guys the reality of doing this, I guess. Make sure it is secure. And then I'm not going to do it since my hair already has a lot of hairspray in it. I'll usually go in with a hairspray. This is the Bio Silk. I also love the Joko, I can't say it correctly. It's their keratin like strong hold hairspray. It comes in a gold packaging and it kind of looks like this. The lid is just like a bigger lid. Spray my hair, and then the minute I'm not spraying it, I go like this and I flatten all the hairs out. And I feel like that's the best method for my kind of hair, to flatten it out. I feel like whenever I use a brush while the hairspray is drying in my hair, it kind of makes thick lines in my hair rather than it being perfectly flat and smoothed back. And then I will braid my hair. I have not put this one in yet properly, so let's see if I can do it correctly the first try. So I'm gonna brush it out just at the top. So what I usually do is I will put this little clip right here. Hopefully you can see it. I'll just go right there where my pony is, and then I will flip my hair over. And then I'll take the little non-Velcro side first, obviously, and then I'll tightly wrap the Velcro on top of its opposite side that it needs to be a part of. Make sure it's like tight and like really on there. Sometimes your hair can get stuck on it. And then I will take this pony part and then I will tightly do this also while holding the ponytail in some way. I will take a bobby pin and I will first secure the little piece I'm holding right now. Like that. I'll do one more. That should be good enough. And before I let go, I'll go in and stick a bobby pin. I like to hold it and I feel around where I feel like I would want a bobby pin. That should be good enough. And then there you have it. The bobby pins kind of help push up the hair. It's nice and smooth. This part could be a little bit smoother. There's the length. You can't even see it completely. I am wearing athletic shorts right now. You can see it in the mirror. It goes just at this part. I really wore the ugliest shorts for this video. I am obsessed, and you can't really see my braid. Like, sure, she'll stick out, but she gets really covered in there, and I don't think you can see her. Let me know if you found it yet. But I'm obsessed. I feel like Molly May wears more of the textured ponytails rather than just like straight. I don't know. I also kind of feel like Shakira. I really want to take pictures with it. It is so pretty. I don't know what else to say because I literally just love it. It's so fluffy and fun. I do want to try on a scrunchie. Try on this pretty little number. I feel like you don't even really need to tie it around. You just need to stuff it in there. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Wait, why am I still sitting like this? It's so cute. Look at it from the little corner. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Well, that is this part. I will see you guys tomorrow when I get ready and do a fresh face of makeup for you guys and not this makeup that I've been wearing all day. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next part.